Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna continue the third part of dry massage when the client facing up. Let's start. Go on the top of the bed. Okay, start to walk your hands side to side. Circle on the knee. Going up. Gently press this part. Come back down. Circle again. Let's bend right legs. If your client not flexible enough, you can put a pillow, a towel, so it can be comfortable for the legs. Alternate pressing with your palm again. This side, don't forget, everything covering. Then lift up. Gonna work on this side, pressing. Don't forget to work on back of the legs. So you put your hand like this and press forward to you. From here, press the knee forward and put here. On the other hand, you palm pressure in the other legs and then push forward. And continue to the side. Press side of the legs. Okay, and then hold to the shoulder. You can stretch slowly. Okay, let's do stretching it here again. Okay, you hold left leg, the ankle, and the other side also same, the ankle. Press here one by one, like walking. Again, you from here just bring the legs, so you work only one leg. And then slowly release. One more time. Stay on the side of the bed, yes, and lift up the knee. Okay, straight your legs, the same time. You hold the ankle, you work in the back of the leg, you press slowly, going down, press slowly until you find the bottom here, and you press. This is good stretching for the lower back. And this is the legs part that we use in our treatment for the Thai Balinese on the legs part. So after you finish with the legs, you repeat the other legs, and then we continue to the hands. Yes, we pump pressure the hands slowly. Same, you on this part you will not need to press it, just avoid it. Okay, a little bit stretching on the hand, so make sure the palm open and bring it like this. Nice. And then you stretch the hand. So 3.1, 2 and 3. Put it down, and then you work on the pressing point. You can do circle motion like this, or just press deeper down. Repeat it again, going down. And then you can do the same in the other part, inside. Same. Press the point with the thumb. You can do slower than this, depends on the time what you have. Okay, and then work on the palm. This is dry massage. If you use oil, it's sliding better, but in the dry massage is the point is you can go deeper. Also open the fingers. And then make a circle here. Okay, a little bit of this, pulling the fingers, and you're done with the hands. Okay, that's the part 3. We will continue again with the part 4. Thank you.